Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, over 40 years and thousands of successful IRS tax cases. Today, I want to talk about yet again runaway government operations. Now, revenue offices levy people and deny having a power of attorney. Here's one example. There's a collection officer I've dealt with for the past 2 years. We've had correspondence back and forth for several tax periods, going 5 and 7 years back. She refused to respond to our phone calls and faxes in a request to establish an installment agreement. And what does she say? She doesn't have a power of attorney, which is nonsense because the power of attorney is on the system. Even if there are new periods not covered by the power of attorney, which that I've yet to see because I have a very broad power of attorney, she could have at least contacted us concerning the periods on the power of attorney to tell us that we needed to update the power of attorney as responsible revenue officers have done in the past. But since these government organizations are not watched very carefully and they take liberties, I've had other cases as well in different areas, audit, uh, establishing phony, um, what do you call it, liens in the county against people for taxes that haven't even been assessed. I mean, it just goes on and on. So anyway, we updated the power of attorney. We'll continue the case, no problem. Um, I mean, after 40 years, I've seen all the tricks already. But you, as the taxpayer, need to be really careful and not have your tax preparer represent you before the IRS or not listen to nonsense in YouTube videos telling you you can do it yourself because a lot of my clients come to me, even attorneys and CPAs who have attempted to deal with the IRS on their own. And what happens is you get levies and it causes defaults in mortgages and car payments. Your spouse gets angry at you. You bounce checks. It costs more money. It's crazy. Just call Stephanie, 713-774-4467, and we'll take care of you as always, for over 40 years. Thank you.